Story about the fox and the grapes. One day, a fox became very hungry. As he went to search for some food, he searched high and low but couldn't find something that he could eat. Finally, as his stomach rumbled, he stumbled upon a farmer's wall. At the top of the wall, he saw the biggest, juiciest grapes he had ever seen. They had a rich, beautiful color, telling the fox they were ready to be eaten. To reach the grapes, the fox had to jump high in the air. As he jumped, he opened his mouth to catch the grapes, but he missed. The fox tried again, but missed yet again. He tried a few more times, but kept failing. Finally, the fox decided it is time to give up and go home. While he walked away, he muttered, "I'm sure the grapes were sour anyway." Moral of the story is never despise what we can have. Nothing comes easy. Do subscribe this channel and share it for your support and for the more exciting stories to come. Thank you.